Hey, I'm Papurr, and for the past 5 years, I've been mastering the art of credit and travel hacking. And in that time, I've helped over 4,400 people repair and rebuild their credit, as well as teach them how to maximize rewards to travel first class and stay in 5-star hotels for free. Now, the American Express Platinum isn't just a credit card. It is a VIP pass to luxury travel, premium perks, and serious rewards. But with a £650 annual fee, it's only worth it if you know how to use every single benefit. Most people don't use half the perks and end up wasting money. And in this video, I'll show you 13 things you need to do to get the most value out of your American Express Platinum in the UK. By the end, you'll know how to turn this high fee credit card into a money saving machine. Let's get into the video. Now, the first thing I want you to do is use your £300 dining credit every single year, because you get £150 twice a year. £150 from January to June and £150 from July to December. This can be used at top restaurants like the Ivy, Roker, Scott's, and Nobu. Those are some of the ones off the top of my head, guys. And how you can use it properly is by booking a nice meal twice a year and saving £150 each time. Even if you don't dine out often, use it for a special occasion instead of paying out of pocket. This is to all the guys watching, Valentine's Day, anniversaries, use it for that occasion. And this can potentially save you £300 every single year. And now you guys know the value I'm about to spit, because we've already saved half of the card's annual fee by doing that. Now, the second thing I want you to do is take advantage of the £100 Harvey Nichols credit. £50 twice a year, so you get £50 from January to June and £50 from July to December. This works in store and online. So how can you use it properly? I would say buy high-end skincare, premium perfumes, or even food and wine. And a pro tip is to look for discounted gift sets to get extra value for your money, and the potential savings here is around £100 a year. Now, the third thing is getting the £200 American Express travel hotel credit. £200 credit for fine hotels and resorts, or the hotel collection when booked via American Express travel. This includes daily breakfast for two, £100 hotel credit for dining and spa, room upgrades when available, and late checkout. How can you use this properly? Book a luxury staycation in London, Edinburgh, or anywhere in the United Kingdom. Even a one-night stay in a 5-star hotel will unlock breakfast and a £100 experience credit. This can potentially save you £200 a year. Now, the fourth thing I want to talk about is the £150 annual travel credit. This applies to flights and hotel bookings through the American Express travel portal and can be used on any airline, any hotel. So how can you use this properly? Plan a trip and take £150 off immediately. And a pro tip from me to you is to book a flight and hotel separately to get 2 separate discounts. And the potential savings on this is around £150 a year. And the fifth advantage is that with certain airports within the UK, you can get the fast track check-in as well as the fast track security. So this can save you not just money, but a ridiculous amount of time. So make the most out of it, because we all hate waiting in security queues and check-in queues at the airports. Now, the sixth thing is getting free airport lounge access. With the American Express Platinum, it gives you free access to the American Express Centurion lounges in Heathrow, New York, LAX, anywhere in the world that has it. Also get a priority pass, which you can use at 1,300 lounges worldwide, as well as the Plaza Premium lounges, which are available in Heathrow and Gatwick. Now, if you're flying from Heathrow, compare lounges to see which one offers the best foods and drinks for you, and this can potentially save you hundreds per year if you travel a lot. Now, the seventh thing is you can earn 5x points on flights booked with American Express travel. This means 5x membership rewards points per £1 spent on flights booked via the American Express travel portal. So how can you use this properly? If you're booking a flight anywhere, use the American Express travel instead of airlines websites to get those extra points. Now, the potential value here is worth hundreds of thousands in points every single year. Now, the 8th hack is transferring your AMEX points to airlines and hotel partners for higher value. Instead of using points directly through the American Express travel, transfer them to partner airlines for better redemption rates. Some of these partners are British Airways, Virgin Atlantic, KLM, Air France, Emirates, Qatar Airways, Marriott Bonvoy, Hilton Honors. My brain can keep working and throwing stuff at you guys, but the potential value here is ridiculous. You can get up to 2x more than what you've transferred over. So for the 9th point, you can get elite car statuses. And what this does, it allows you to get free car upgrades when you rent with certain rental providers, for example, Hertz. And this can save you hundreds of pounds every single year if you rent cars. Now, the 10th point is taking advantage of the actual American Express offers. American Express offers give you cashback or extra points for spending at select retailers. For example, you can spend £100 at Selfridges and get £20 back. You can earn 5x points on Hilton bookings, and this can help you potentially save, £100 to £200 every single year. And the 11th point I want to touch on is use the purchase protection and extended warranty. Purchase protection covers accidental damage or theft for 90 days. Extended warranty adds 1 extra year on eligible warranties. This can save you maybe hundreds of thousands on damaged items. So the penultimate trick I'm going to tell you is adding free authorized users. You can add up to 5 supplementary platinum card holders for free, and they get airport lounge access, hotel and car rental perks, purchase protections, and the potential value is huge if used right. And the final thing I want to talk about for the 13th point is stacking the American Express offers and discounts. Always check for targeted offers before making a big purchase. For example, a pro tip from me to you would be some offers stacked with cashback sites. So the 13th point and the final point is stacking American Express offers and discounts. Always check for targeted offers before making any big purchases, and this can easily save you again like another extra £100 per year. Now, to summarize, the American Express Platinum is 100% worth it if you actually use the perks, and these are some of them broken down. The dining credit, £300. Harvey Nichols credit, £100. Hotel credit, £200. Travel credit, £150. And then lounge access, which is literally unlimited amounts of money. So drop a comment down below what your favorite American Express perks are. Hit the like and subscribe for more credit card tips. Now go and start maximizing your American Express Platinum. And if you've made it this far, I'm gonna give you a bonus, because knowing the basics of how to maximize your American Express is just the beginning. And that's exactly why I've put together a completely free credit masterclass with over 2 hours of content showing you everything that you need to know to maximize your credit journey. So check this video where I show you what you'll learn, how to get access, and how to use the information inside to turn credit into free travel and a source of income.